Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. The puzzle page in this weekend edition of Saturday, December the 21st, 2023. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are we have here the Sudoku with 3 stars, another Sudoku with 3 stars, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries, 10 by 10, and a tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Let me tell you something about the newspaper of the weekend. This newspaper is from Saturday, December the 23rd, to Tuesday, December the 26th, because on Sunday we have no newspaper. On Monday, Christmas Day, also no newspaper. Tuesday, we have 2 Christmas days, the Boxing Day, second Boxing Day, so also no newspaper. So I will do on Tuesday, I believe, the rest of the puzzles of Friday. On Monday, I will do the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition. So yeah, let me start with this one. Sudoku with 3 stars, and this will be number 7671. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has, I believe, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus, it will be a 2 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. For 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. The 3 stars puzzle has usually 25 printed digits. This one has 26, one more. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1, 1. Need a 2, need a 9, okay. We have a 9 in the last row, 9 in a row above, so that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Okay. And need 2 here. 3, 6. Well. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this second column. 2 of those missing numbers are a 6 and a 4. We have a 4 and a 6 in this big square, so no 4 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in the second column. 4 numbers to 1. 2 is missing, and a 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So the row between. Only place left for 5 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for 4 should be here or up there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For number 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Need an 8 here. Need a 3. Need a 5 here. 5, 3, 9. Well. All right. How about 1, 2, and a 9? Okay. So, need a 1 here. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers, the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2 and 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 6 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 1, 1. 1 box left in this big square from the 1, the 2 is missing. So we have a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 3 places left for 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 in the third row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5, 9, 3. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this first row. So no 3 and a 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 9. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and 9 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. 1 box left in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. So we have 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 in that column, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. All right. Okay, and now let me see. Need a 7 there. 8, need an 8 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. We have a 7 in this middle row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, could be there. One of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square goes together with the 8, with the 7 as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. So 1 digit left in in this row for number, I believe, the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8. 9 is missing. All right. So we have a 9 and a 1 in this row. The 1 and a 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in a column next to the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 9, we have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Wow. Well. Cannot say that it's a 2 stars, maybe a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14 and 30 minutes. So I'm completely surprised with the time. I'm well pleased with the time. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also over yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.